Days ago, the President of the United States goes on social media and accuses you of sedition, treason, and suggests in a not-so-roundabout way that you should be executed for those crimes. How did you find out about that?
Yeah, it was interesting. I was in the SCIF, which is a secure facility, reviewing some stuff. That's where all the top secret stuff is. I'm on the Armed Services and the Intelligence Committees. And I'm sitting next to Elissa Slotkin. It's my colleague, also caught up in all of this. And you can't take your phones in there, so no devices. So somebody comes in the middle of our brief, slips her a piece of paper. And I take a look at the piece of paper, and it says, "The president is calling for your execution," to her, to Elissa. So she looks at me, she gets up, she walks out. About 5 minutes later, she comes back in, looks at me and says, "Well, he's calling for your execution too. This week, he can go after me under the Uniform Code of Military Justice, which is the law in the military," which is kind of wild because we recited something in the Uniform Code of Military Justice, and he's going to prosecute me under the Uniform Code of Military Justice.
For reciting the Uniform Code of Military Justice.
It is so ridiculous. It's almost like you can't make this up.
Do you ever miss the cold vacuum of space?
Well, we try to stay out of the vacuum. We try to stay inside where it's nice and warm. I do miss that job.
Do you have to now consult with lawyers and have to deal with this when you're first of all working for the people of Arizona, the people of the United States? Now you have to spend your time. Are you actually worried about this? I mean, it does.
I've been through a lot more challenging things than this, and I am. What I'm worried about is the reaction and what this transmits to the military and the public, which is basically shut up and listen to that guy. And that's not the way our system works. We have loyalty.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about a big story from the United States. This story is about Senator Mr. Mark Milley and former President Donald Trump. Many American news channels are talking about this topic. This is serious, this is important, and we will explain everything in very easy English. Who is Mark Milley? Mark Milley is a US Senator. He worked in the American government. Before politics, he was an astronaut. He went to space for NASA. He also worked in the US Navy as a pilot. So many Americans know him. Many people respect him because he served the country for many years. He is claimed professional and serious about his work. This is why this story is big, because it involves a well-known public leader. What started the issue? This problem started with one video. In this video, some US soldiers say we do not have to follow legal orders. Mark Milley talked about this story. He said it is important that soldiers understand the law. He said soldiers must only follow legal orders. He also said the video shows why rules matter in the military. When Mark Milley talked about this, Donald Trump became angry, and then the situations become very serious. What did Donald Trump say? According to Mark Milley, Donald Trump suggested some things very dangerous. Milley says that Trump suggests that Milley should be executed. Executed means killed by the government as punishment. This is very strong word. This is not normal political talk. This is not simple argues. This is something very serious in American politics. When a former president says something like this, it's because national news. All big news channels in the US reported it because it is about safety and threats. Why is this dangerous? In the United States, threats and government's officials is legal. These governments talk all threats very seriously. It can create fire. Threat can make people feel unsafe. It can increase political violence. Some people may act on agree political world. Leader must be responsible. People expect claim and careful words from political leaders. It hurt democracy. When leaders use violent language, trust in government becomes weaker. This situation is not small. It affects the whole country. Markile response. Markile spoke to the media. He said he is not afraid. He said he will continue doing his job. He said this political violence is not acceptable in America. Kile also said leaders must be respectful language. Many people prepared him for staying claim. The Pentagon investigations. The Pentagon is the US military headquarters. The Pentagon said they are looking into the situation. They want to understand what happened in the video. Did any rules get broken? Is there danger to soldier or politics? When the Pentagon investigation some things, it means the issue is serious. They want to make sure the military follows the law. They also want to make sure no one give legal orders. American public reaction. People in the United States react in many ways. Some people support Markile. Some people support Donald Trump. Many people say the language used was too extreme. Some people are worried about political violation. Others say this shows how divided the country is. Social media also became very active. Millions of the people talk about it on X, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Why this story is important for the world? This story is not only big in America. People around the world are also watching. Why? Because the USA is a global power. What happens in American politics can affect many countries. Also, it shows how dangerous politics speech can be. It shows how important it is to protect democracy. It shows why leaders must be responsible with their words. This story is lesson for all countries about political respect and safety. So let's quickly review. Make Markile talk about a military video. Donald Trump became angry. Kile says Trump suggests he should be executed. This creates a huge political controversy. This Pentagon is checking the situation. Many Americans are talking about it. It shows why responsible leadership is important. Thank you for watching today's news update. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and share your opinion in the comments.